I'm always busy, but no one sees what I do. Your phone says you spent 6 hours online today, but you didn't scroll. You didn't watch Netflix. You fielded questions, wiped counters, mediated fights, switched loads of laundry, answered the same question 4 times, made snacks no one ate, and somehow it's dinner time and you have no idea what happened to the day. No one sees it. Your partner comes home and asks what you did. Your brain freezes, because the truth is everything and nothing. You were in motion all day, but there's no product, no report, no paycheck with your name on it. And here's the cruel part. The internet tells you to monetize your time, build a business, be a boss mom. But every business model they pitch requires things you don't have: uninterrupted hours, a workspace, childcare, startup capital, or the ability to show up on camera at 6 a.m. looking like you slept. So you stay stuck, busy, invisible, and financially dependent. But there's a model they're not telling you about. One that doesn't require you to perform, go viral, or pretend your life is calm. It's called a digital asset business, and it works in the margins of motherhood because it's designed to be built in fragments. No cameras, no calls, no coordination. Just you, a laptop, and the ability to solve one specific problem better than the generalists who are half asleep writing the same content everyone else is. Let me show you what this actually looks like. The entire strategy is built around one shift. Stop trading time for money, and start building systems that earn while you're doing the invisible work. That means creating something once: a template, a guide, a resource, and selling it repeatedly. Digital products, not courses that need weekly updates, not coaching that requires scheduling, not subscriptions that demand constant content. Simple, finite, valuable tools. Here's the structure. You find a problem you've already solved in your own life. You package that solution into a downloadable resource. You sell it on a platform that handles payment, delivery, and customer service. Then you drive targeted traffic using free content that answers the same problem in pieces. Let me break that down into naptime chunks. Phase 1. Problem mining. One afternoon. You're not inventing a business idea from scratch. You're reverse engineering what you've already figured out. Did you create a meal planning system that stopped the 5 p.m. panic? That's a product. Did you build a cleaning routine that actually works with toddlers underfoot? That's a product. Did you organize your kids' schedules in a way that stopped the morning chaos? That's a product. Market research shows that productivity templates, organizational systems, and planning tools are among the top-selling digital products in the parenting and lifestyle space. Not because they're complicated, but because they save time, and time is the currency moms are desperate for. Your job in phase 1 is to write down 3 problems you've personally solved. Not aspirational ones, real ones. The kind that made you cry in the pantry before you figured them out. Pick the one that still makes you angry when you see other people struggling with it. That's your first product. Phase 2. Asset creation. 3 to 4 nap times. This is where most people overthink it. They assume a digital product needs to be a 47-page workbook with custom graphics and a sales funnel. Wrong. Your first product can be a Notion template, a Google Sheet with formulas, a Canva-designed PDF checklist, a Trello board clone. The format doesn't matter. The outcome does. If someone buys your product and solves their problem in 20 minutes, they'll tell their friends. If they buy it and feel confused, they'll refund it. Clarity beats design. Here's the build process. Open a Google Doc. Write out the exact steps you take to solve the problem. Turn those steps into a fillable framework. Add instructions at the top. Export as PDF or share as a template link. Done. If you're building something like a budget tracker or schedule planner, you might want a simple tool to make it easier to organize. I linked the basic planner template. I recommend below so you don't waste time searching. It's affordable and clean enough to duplicate for your own system. Your product doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be useful and complete. Version 1 is about proving the concept. You'll improve it based on feedback. Phase 3. Platform setup. One evening, you need somewhere to sell this that doesn't require you to manually send files or chase payments. Gumroad, Stan Store, or Etsy. Pick one. Gumroad is best for templates and PDFs. Stan Store is ideal if you're building around Instagram or TikTok. Etsy works if your product is design-heavy or printable. Create your account. Upload your product. Write a simple description that focuses on the transformation, not the features. Stop guessing what's for dinner. Beats includes 30 meal ideas. Set your price between $7 and $27 for your first product. Add a thumbnail image. You're live. The platform handles everything: payment processing, file delivery, refunds. You don't touch it. Phase 4. Traffic without performing. Ongoing. 20 minutes a day. Here's where the model gets smart. You don't need to go viral. You need to be findable by the exact person searching for your exact solution. That means SEO-driven content, Pinterest, pins, Google-friendly blog posts, YouTube videos that answer one question thoroughly, threads, or Twitter posts that solve micro-problems and link to the full resource. Top sellers in the digital product space typically build their traffic through long-tail content-specific, searchable answers that rank over time and compound. You're not entertaining, you're educating. You're not building a brand, you're building a search result. Write one blog post a week that answers a piece of the problem your product solves. Embed your product link naturally. If you want the full system I use, I built a template that walks you through it. Grab it here. Pin one graphic a day to Pinterest with the same strategy. Film one short video answering a common question. You don't need a ring light. You don't need to be on camera. Screen recordings work. Voiceovers work. Slide decks work. Every piece of content is a breadcrumb leading back to your product. Now let's talk about what this isn't. This isn't passive income that runs itself from day one. You're building infrastructure. That takes setup time. But once it's built, it runs without you. A blog post you wrote 6 months ago can still be making sales. A Pinterest pin from last year can still be driving traffic. This also isn't a replacement for childcare. You're not going to build a 6-figure business in 3 months working only during naps. But you can build a system that generates $500, then $1,000, then $2,000 a month without adding more chaos to your calendar. And here's the part most people miss. This model respects your context. You're not failing because you can't show up at 5 a.m. for a live launch. You're building something that works in the margins because that's where your time actually exists. The invisible work you do every day, the organizing, the systems building, the problem solving, that's not worthless. It's the exact skill set this model requires. You see inefficiency and fix it. You create order from chaos. You build routines that hold under pressure. Those are business skills. The only difference is no one's paying you for them yet. But the moment you package one of those solutions and put it in front of someone who needs it, that changes. You're not asking for permission. You're not waiting for someone to see your value. You're building a small, quiet system that proves it. And 6 months from now, when someone asks what you did today, you'll have an answer that includes the invisible work and the income it generated. Because both are real. Both matter. And both are finally yours. Disclaimer: this content is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial or business advice. Earnings and results vary based on effort, market conditions, and strategy. Always do your own research before starting any business. Some links in the description may be affiliate links.